Hey friends of mine, this is step 3 in the Mastering Your Years series. My name is Alina Dompt for those of you who are new around here, and I love digital planning. This is a 10-step series, and step 3 is devoted entirely to setting your goals. This is essentially a quick and easy start to preparing for the year ahead. Or perhaps you've just gotten a new planner and you'd like to start fresh. Right here is a great place to start. That being said, make sure you go back and watch the previous steps if you haven't, so you are better prepared for this one. So let's just take a quick look into your goal setting spread. On the left, you have Discover, Dream, and Display. And on the right, you have your 12 personal goals. Each goal has the main box that you can write your goal in, and a smaller box where you can either write a due date, or perhaps it's an ongoing habit that you're trying to influence, so you could put the length of time you want to spend on it each day or each week. However you want to use that box is up to you. We're going to start with the Discover page. The top says, answer the questions as honestly as possible. Come back to this section in the future if you feel that your opinions or dreams have changed significantly. And we'll just jump right in. What would you like to accomplish this year? I suggest not being wordy. You don't want to go back through these pages and get bored reading paragraphs of information. You want, at a quick glance, to be reminded of your goals and dreams. Because the secret to achieving these goals is helped by writing them down, but achieved by the actions that it inspires. If you spend your time obsessed over planning your dreams perfectly and not doing what is necessary, you'll never achieve it. Do enough planning so you aren't wandering blindly. Just don't forget to do. What do I feel I should learn or change? What talents or skills do I want to gain? What habits do I need to develop or improve? Moving over to the right half of your spread, it's time to recognize how you feel you are faring in different aspects of your life. I'll talk you through my thoughts in the physical aspects of my life. First, how can I progress this year? Exercising would be a good start. I stopped exercising at the end of the year because my joint and muscle pain became too much to bear. I've decided that regardless of whatever health issues my doctors are trying to figure out, I need to be moving my body anyway, and simply work through the pain and be careful. Changing to a restrictive diet that my doctor prescribed did not fix the problems I was having, but it definitely helped, so I'm going to revert back to that diet. I can certainly improve in my posture, majorly. I'll leave some music on while I do my spiritual, intellectual, and social reviews. This dream board is fairly simple. Write out your dream as if it is already happening and you are already living it. For example, instead of saying, I hope to finish the first book of my series this year and get an agent, you would write, I'm so grateful that I have been able to finish book 1 of my series this year and that I found a successful agent and I can begin on the road to publishing my book. This will make your dream feel a little more real and attainable as you speak in present tense, as if it's already happened. Then on the left, take everything you've imagined and build a vision board of it. Before we tackle the display spread, let's work through our goals. The first thing you'll want to do is write out your goal in clear and concise terms, then break it down into the tasks that incrementally get you closer to the goals. Some goals require you to form habits that repeat. Figure out what they are. So for example, my first goal this year is to become more stylish. To make it more concise, I included hair, makeup, and clothing in my goal. So I want a wardrobe that I feel comfortable, classy, and stylish in. I want a collection of maybe 20 hairstyles that I like and are relatively easy. And I want to do some research on eyeshadow basics because I feel like I'm really lacking in that regard. On the second page, I'm writing my why. Well, for this goal, the why would be because I want to feel beautiful and lovely in my waking moments, and I want to feel in control of my day. When I let myself go and stay in my pajamas, I find that it's really hard for me to be productive throughout the day. So that is why this is important to me. For valuable resources, I'm including a few YouTube channels that inspire me, whether it is for makeup, hair, or clothing. And I'm even linking to my Pinterest boards. Reward when I succeed. I decided that for this goal, the success will be a reward in and of itself. I will have purchased or made new clothes, makeup, and accessories, which will feel like a gift to me. But for other goals, I may reward myself with something like chocolate or a date night. I'm going to simply play through my other goals now to give you some ideas. Enjoy the music while you watch. Don't forget to add your time management tabs on each of your goals so you know where you are planning them in your time management spreads. Thank you for joining me in step 3. In step 4, we will be focusing on your self-care plans for the year. Step 3 has probably inspired you to set very specific goals, so you may need to take some time to refer back to your time management spreads. But please stick around for that next piece of the Mastering Your Year puzzle: self-care.